Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Samsung Bespoke AI top-load washer, Samsung's first AI-powered top-load washing machine. With its intelligent features, premium build, and energy-saving capabilities, this washer is designed to make laundry more efficient and convenient. Let's explore its features and performance in detail. Design and build quality. The Samsung Bespoke AI top-load washer features a modern and stylish design. Dimensions: available in 25-inch, 24-inch, and 21-inch models to fit various spaces. Weight: approximately 45 to 55 kilograms, 99 to 121 pounds, depending on the model. Colors: comes in 5 elegant finishes: Black Caviar, Deep Charcoal, Lavender Gray, White, and Brushed Navy. Build: premium materials with a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that complements modern interiors. Ergonomics: features a soft-close lid and an intuitive control panel for ease of use. The washer's design ensures it blends seamlessly into any home while offering durability and convenience. AI-powered features. The Bespoke AI top-load washer is equipped with advanced AI technologies to enhance performance. AI Wash detects fabric type, load size, and soil levels to recommend optimal settings for water level, agitation, and cycle duration. This feature provides up to 25% more fabric protection for delicate garments while ensuring thorough cleaning for heavier fabrics. AI Energy Mode. Available through the SmartThings Energy app, this mode reduces energy consumption by up to 20%, promoting sustainable washing. AI VRT Plus, Vibration Reduction Technology Plus, analyzes floor conditions and adjusts settings to minimize noise and vibration, ensuring quieter operation. These intelligent features make the washer highly efficient and user-friendly. Washing performance. The washer delivers exceptional cleaning performance with its innovative technologies. EcoBubble technology combines 2 key components. Bubble Storm dissolves detergent into foam for quicker and deeper penetration into fabrics. Dual Storm thoroughly mixes detergent and clothes for a more effective wash. Hygiene Steam eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria and stubborn stains without pretreatment. Super Speed Mode cleans a full load in just 31 minutes while maintaining high washing standards. These features ensure faster, gentler cleaning while improving fabric care by up to 20%. Energy efficiency. The Bespoke AI top-load washer is designed with sustainability in mind. Digital inverter motor. Backed by a 20-year warranty, this motor ensures energy-efficient and reliable performance. AI Energy Mode optimizes power consumption, reducing energy usage without compromising cleaning quality. These energy-saving features make the washer an eco-friendly choice for modern households. Smart connectivity. The washer integrates seamlessly with Samsung's SmartThings ecosystem. Remote control. Monitor and control cycles remotely via the SmartThings app. Smart recommendations. Receive personalized cycle suggestions based on your laundry habits. Notifications. Get alerts when a cycle is complete or when maintenance is required. These smart features add convenience and enhance the overall user experience. The Bespoke AI top-load washer is designed for maximum convenience. Soft close lid prevents accidental slamming for quieter operation. Intuitive controls. The digital display and touch controls make it easy to select and customize cycles. Quiet operation. AI VRT Plus technology ensures minimal noise, even during high-speed spins. The washer's thoughtful design and features make laundry less of a chore. Price and availability. The Samsung Bespoke AI top-load washer is priced between $1,200 and $1,800, depending on the size: 21-inch, 24-inch, or 25-inch. It is available in global markets and comes in multiple capacities to suit different household needs. Conclusion. The Samsung Bespoke AI top-load washer is a game-changer in the world of home appliances. With its advanced AI features, energy efficiency, and stylish design, it offers a premium laundry experience. Whether you're looking for faster cycles, quieter operation, or smarter controls, this washer delivers on all fronts. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.